Hi, I'm Isabel Sheng. I'm here to talk to you about the importance of having a mobile-optimized website. We've all been there. You're out somewhere and you want to find a product or service. You grab your phone, you do a search, and you click on a link to the search results page. The page opens up and darn it, the font is really small. You're trying to turn the phone sideways to scroll it left to right to read a paragraph. You can't find the phone number. It's just frustrating. I don't know about you, but usually after about 15-20 seconds, I just give up. I go back to the search results page, I click on another link, and voila! This time, the page loads fast. I can easily locate relevant information by thumbing the screen up and down. The menu button takes me to a different parts of the site. Call button is right there, prominently displayed. I think that business just won a customer. So let me show you what I mean. A website that's mobile optimized will appear on a mobile device like this. A website that's not optimized for mobile looks like this. According to a study by Haibu in 2014, only 6% of SMBs or small-medium businesses have a mobile site. 6%. At the same time, more than half of the U.S. population use a smartphone day in and day out. But there's more. Take a look. When shoppers do go to a website, the conversion rate for non-mobile optimized site is only 23% versus 60% for sites that are optimized for mobile. So why does mobile need its own design? In addition to the obvious difference in screen size, mobile users expect a different experience. It boils down to three main reasons. Number one, quick loading. Remember, your customers may not always have great service where they're at. And if a site is taking forever to load, they're likely to go to another site or just give up. A mobile site uses less bandwidth and loads quickly. Number two, mobile sites are easy to read. They tend to be concise, with minimal scrolling for your customers to find what they're looking for. Number three, easy to act. Customers can easily find a call or buy button, reducing the number of steps to find information or to complete a transaction. There are two main approaches for your business in moving to the mobile age. Option one, a separate site for mobile users. And option two, responsive web design. I'll talk about each and give you some pros and cons about why they might or might not make sense for your business. I will say that unless you're a design pro, work with an experienced web designer or developer who can keep you from making mistakes, which can mean the difference between zero conversions and daily conversions. Option one is creating a separate site for mobile users. If you already have a great website that's optimized for desktop, for example, www.domain.com, it might make sense for you to create a separate mobile site, typically m.domain.com. Here are a couple of advantages. Number one, the separate mobile URL serves a mobile-optimized version of your site, depending on the screen. Number two, the ability to adjust content to respond to top-ranking mobile search queries, which often vary from desktop searches. There are also some disadvantages. Number one, maintaining the separate URLs for each site. This can be time-consuming and costly. And you do need to start your SEO, organic search engine optimization effort, separately. Number two, having to try and adapt to future devices. Who knows what new phones and tablets will be out in a year? Option two is responsive design. If maintaining separate sites sounds a bit too much for you, consider responsive web design, which will craft your sites to provide an optimal viewing experience, such as navigation with a minimum of resizing and scrolling across a wide range of devices from desktop to mobile. The advantages of responsive design are: one, a single URL that adapts to each device automatically. Two, ease of management. Wouldn't it be nice to update everything once and have it show across all devices? The disadvantages are, number one, it requires a complete revamp of your current site if you have one. However, once that's done, upkeep is easier. Number two, optimization. Keywords and features that are optimized for mobile might not be for desktop and vice versa. I'm going to leave you with some resources if you're interested in knowing more about mobile-optimized web designs. Tools like MobiReady provide free evaluation for your site, and online software and services like Do.Mobile offer automated website creation services. And don't forget to check out my other video on how to make the most out of your mobile landing page, a related topic to this video.